how to enable whiteboard on your Zoom meeting. So it's a very simple process. You just have to follow these steps. First, open your Zoom app and then start a meeting. And once you start your meeting, you can copy your meeting, invite everyone else to join. Once you start your meeting, you just want to tap on whiteboards, or you can just share, and once you tap on share, if you scroll down, you can see share whiteboard. You can use the classic whiteboard or you can try new whiteboard. I'm just going to show you how to use the classic one. So once you open your whiteboard, you can see a blank page right here. So this screen is being shared to everyone in the meeting. So you tap on this pencil icon right here, and you can see many options in the at the left side of your screen. So the very first option is the select tool. You can select things with this. The second one is the pencil. So you can choose different types of pencils here, a highlighter or a magic pencil or a normal one. Then you can find shapes here. So you can, if you want to mark something as correct, you can do this, or if you want to mark something as incorrect, you can choose this one, or you can even choose arrows, hearts, star, question mark. So there are many options. Then we have the pointer tool. So if you tap on this, you can point at things on your whiteboard like so. And of course there is a eraser, so you can erase everything using this. And then there is a undo button or a redo button. And then you have a delete option that allows you to delete all of your drawing, or if you're sharing this whiteboard with someone else and they're drawing, and if you want to clear only their drawing, you can clear others' drawing like so. And you can download your whiteboard using this button right here. And this last button closes your edit tab. And that's how you can easily use Zoom Whiteboard on Zoom. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.